Dark circles plague everyone. There are expensive creams, injectable fillers, and hundreds of home remedies to lighten dark under-eye circles, reduce eye bags, and make the eye area even-toned. Dark under-eye circles have many possible causes. Genetics. Studies have shown that dark circles under your eyes may run in families. Dermatitis. Eczema and contact dermatitis can cause the blood vessels under your eyes and dilate and show through your skin. Rubbing your eyes. Rubbing and scratching your eyes can cause your under eyes to swell and your blood vessels to break. Lack of sleep. Poor sleeping habits cause the skin under your eyes to appear pale. Your blood vessels can easily show through your skin. Hyperpigmentation. Too much exposure to the sun triggers your body to make more melanin. Melanin is the substance, pigment, that gives your skin its color. Dehydration. The skin under your eyes can start to look dull when you don't drink enough water. Lifestyle factors. Other factors such as stress, excessive alcohol use, and smoking can cause dark circles under your eyes. Potatoes, one of the most effective remedies. It also aids in reducing the puffiness around the eye area. Vitamins, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory. It helps to reduce inflammation around the eyes, while also helping to stave off darkening. There are many ways of extracting potato juice and of applying potatoes on your under eye area to combat dark circles. If you want to keep it simple, you can freeze a washed potato overnight. Slice it in the morning and apply the slices on closed eyes for 10 minutes. Some recommend rubbing the slices on the under eye area gently to massage in the nutrients. If you want to make potato juice for topical application, first peel a potato and grate it. Now, macerate the pulp to extract the juice by putting it on a strainer and squeezing the liquid. Put it in the fridge until it gets cold. Take a cotton ball, soak it in the juice, and place it over your eyes. Make sure the entire area around the dark circles is covered. Leave it for about 15 minutes and wash with cold water. Cold milk. Cold milk is a natural cleanser for the eyes and also helps in soothing the sensitive skin around the eyes. Cold milk contains lactic acid, which not only helps to reduce puffiness, but also lightens the skin. Additionally, potassium in milk allows the skin to stay better moistured, leaving you with softer and supple skin. How to use milk. Dip a cotton ball in cold milk and apply it to the eye area. Dip it for a while and later rinse the eyes with cold water. Repeat at least thrice a week. Rose water. This one can surely be termed as grandmom's secret remedy. Rose water is refreshing, rejuvenating, and can practically be used on almost all skin types and for all skin-related issues. It's also a mild astringent and can be used as an effective skin toner too. How to use rose water. Soak cotton eye pads in rose water and place them over the eyelids. Leave it for about 15 minutes and repeat every night for a month to see the best result. I have used this ingredient many a times with positive results to lighten dark circles. Try it yourself and see how it works for you. It's just amazing. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friends, and thank you so much for watching.